In the men's 400-meter medley relay, swim in the backstroke for North Bay Aquatics in lane 1 is Theodore St. Francis. Lane 2 for the Palo Alto Stanford B team, William Lee. Lane 3 for Hong Kong is Chung Lai Yan. 4th for the Australia B team, Mitchell Larkin. In lane 5 for the Japan team, Kazuki Watanabe. Lane 6, Australia A, that's Hayden Stuckel. Lane 7, Palo Alto Stanford, Andrew Liang. And for Santa Clara A team in lane 9, Russ Payne. Hayden Steckel to the wall. He was your winner in the 100 backstroke. Here he touches in 55.88. Hand off the early lead. Breaststrokers now. Lane 1 is Bradley Klein. 2, Egan Gans. 3, Wong Chun Yan. 4, Jared Gilliland. 5, Ken Takakua. 6, Buster Sykes. 7, Bernard Johnson. Lane 9 is Tim Koo. Lane 5, Ken Takakua coming in and handing off the lead, 1:58.77. Japan overtaking Australia on the breaststroke. 2 lengths to go. Let's see how this plays out. Here are your butterflyers. Lane 1 for North Bay is Alan Winder. 2 for Palo Alto B team is Omar Arafa. 3 for Hong Kong, Wong Kai Wai. 4 Australia, Ryan Napoleon. 5 for Japan, Takeshi Matsuda. 6 for the Australia A team, Nick Darcy. 7, Palo Alto Stanford A team is Matthew Murray. 9, Santa Clara is Alex Wold. And your Anchor Lake Swimmers, lane 1 is Graham Spurtsum. 2, Curtis Ogren. 3, Yan Ho Chun. 4, Travis Mahoney. 5 is Takuro Fuji. 6, Ashley Delaney. 7, Connor Stewie. Lane 9, Jackson Locke. And Japan will put up a strong time here, not too far off the meet record, 3:40.51. By just over a second, they missed the meet record, but unofficially, they are your winners. The Australia A team is second, and the Australia B team is third from lane number 4.